Surprise sa kanya. Discuss melody. But before that,
lagi kaalam ang important
yeah. So, when you hear the word melody, what comes into your mind? Okay,
Ella.
Melody.
Melody kamuyap sa kapatula.
How about the others? Okay, Olaybar. When you hear the word melody, what comes into your mind?
One, ngalan sa akong crush, Melody. Wala ko idea. Tindog ko nung ito, gidanlap, Ben.
Okay, melody is the part of the music that you have sing and use. Okay, so points to enter teaching melody or points to consider when teaching melody. So, one is setting goals. So it is important to set specific goals for each lesson. However, the teacher should also be ready and flexible as the pace of the class might be different by disorder and Jumar, why is it important why is it important to teach the melody sa elementary grades sa mag-set up goals? What is important to teach the melody sa elementary grades? Importante man ang mag-set up goals. So, without goals or without karamit ang wala kay target sa elementary grades, wala kay guidance, wala kay ganang buwan ko. Wala kay guidance sa pagpapalak ko na hindi kundo sa mga bata. Okay, very good. So, setting goals serve as a guide when teaching melody. Kaya kung wala ko kay goals, wala, dili mo makita kung katong kuhaan na sa mga klase na ating batuloy mo work. And however, as a teacher, you are teaching the young minds kung ato mga expectation na hindi na sila ha. Sa akin na nila muna nila, muna ito, hindi nila. Say mo lang si teacher dapat taas yung pasensya and flexible pag si teacher. Now that we are aware of the content of topics within the scope of melody, let us proceed in the step of procedure. So divide your procedures section into two. First is direct instruction and number two is exercises and activities. So first, okay, I want you to read Basan. Number one.
Direct instruction, the part, the lesson, the important ideas, the class, okay, goals that teacher told me to ask, but they can also ask questions, some answer may be given later to make more sense.
Okay, thank you. Right. So, do you have any idea regarding sa imong gibasa?
Wala na.
So, Ilay.
Our implement at sa mga instructions and then sometimes ang mga students mag-ask without
Okay, very good. So, DI or direct instruction, paano siya effective ni siya if na-integrate ang tao. Usually, si teacher ang nag-aakwanan ni, para siya teacher directed method. So, si teacher mo yung nag-discuss at the same time, pwede mawala ang mga estudyante regarding sa lesson or yung teaching music, si teacher ang mag-guide sa mga estudyante. So, exercises and activities. This is the part where the students engage more deeply with the musical concept as they get to experience this tangibly music as a living subject. And there are many activities that can be utilized in our lessons such as following. One is listening. Second is reading, either standard rotation or alternate symbols. Third is imitating or repeating. Fourth is responding, creating, performing, analyzing, applying, and last is evaluating. For identifying pitches or sounds, whether they are high or slow, formation, or close, applying activity, mga paano, so procedure. So, it's with Zeroy. Okay, so for example, wickets chirping, so punto. And you do the wickets chirping for the class. Sound
Okay guys, I'm going to teach you how the cricket chirp.
that is example of wickets chirping. How about the dog rolling?
It's so easy.
Ikaw na paghukom. Kiro pag nawa. Ay! Sige na, irong po.
Ito yun. Ito man ang isog guys. Oo, ito isog kayo.
Bagay sa apo.
Katanay kaway. Irong laaw. Katanay kaway.
Go, go.
Awang to.
That is the sound of the dog rolling. How about the wickets chirping? Angel. So, paminaw ninyo, asa man ang low notes na
Cricket.
Tango. Low is the How about high pitch? And bird. Teaching melodic lines for activity. Activity using body gestures to reflect melodic lines or movement of pitches. So, magamit natin mga body movements. So, the teacher will sing or play a series of pitches slowly. Students are to act out presenting certain gestures to represent whether the pitches go up, down, or stay the same as the melody says. So, I need to Erwin.
Go, Erwin.
Sampol ka. Alfred, reporter ka dapat kayo namin pag Now, I want you to sing the perang sa sample kayo. Stand still, sandali.
Nagi, dala pa dyan. Tutay. Tutay. Chris.
Stand still, guys. With melodic lines goes up, by opening into the front arms.
Drawing.
Body movements to change melody. So, how about it? Maramo ka tayo magkulang
Oh, that was so slam.
One, two, three, go.
Sige lang, please, ayun lang, kapit na ng
Thank you.
Yes, kapit na talaga ng sumarang.
Importante ito siyang ma-integrate lang sa klase ng pitch na melody para ma-interactive ang klase at the same time effective po siya na it captures the attention of the students.
Okay, so now let's move on to the familiarity with melodic interval. So, kabalo naman ta atong harmonic o melodic, diba kayo discuss mo ta ito last tuan na reporter. So, ang melodic intervals kay associating the beginning or bars of a familiar song with a particular melodic interval. Diba kaya melodic intervals kay dili dungan ang pagtuslog sa katong vocal organ? Yes. Dili dungan pagtuslog sa note. Key.
Sa video te.
Tapos, kanin mo ang dahil sa'yo o sa chorus sa dahil sa'yo o yung birthday ko. Sa'yo, kanta, ulo ko ba naman dahil sa'yo? Chorus na nga namin.
Ano ko, pala dapat sa alam mo kanta?
So, ang keys niya kay melodic interval, lagi mo ang do o sa red. Hindi dito harmonic, di ba harmonic ito nga ni mo? Yes. So, next is dili mo ko ba doon? Perfect. O perfect do, chord do, first.
Wala po si Doso. Perfect Doso.
Diba rin siya, ingali ang example sa melodic melodic interval, hindi mo ito nga ng sa mong keys. Dapat after sa isa, sunod. Next is, how do I teach pitches and intervals in the absence of a classroom musical instrument? So, we all know man, dili kay na accessible ang mga instruments sa education sa mga sa public school. So, naano tayo dapat na alternative na atong i-fully atong wala tayong mga kuhan. So, naman tayo mga gamit nga cellphone, pwede na tayo mag-download rin kanang piano, di ba? So, in many school, pianos or keyboards are available for the while a guitar can be used, a piano is preferable for teaching pitches and intervals. A good alternative using smartphone piano app. So, wala ang hingon, kaya kung wala tayo natawpuan, ito yung alternative. So, pwede tayo sa cellphone. Kaya ka na, kung matulog na intervals, sa melodic intervals, kada mas best na use na to is yung piano kay kuan na siya, dali naman siya. So, teachers should first familiarize themselves with the keyboard layout and speech sounds. They can connect the smartphone to a speaker for the class to hear clearly. Additionally, a visual aid like a piano keyboard drawing on the board helps students follow along as speeches and intervals are played. So, as a teacher, kailangan dyan ka ng productive. Kaya, example, para makabalo itong mga students, usaon nila pag wala sa kato mga kids, kailangan na magdi mo punta o ka ng visual aids para makita nila, example, kung ang sa'yo unahon nila ito, and then, while nag-connect ang atong cellphone dito sa speaker. Next is consideration for material use. So, some indispensable materials are to be used quite extensively when teaching melody. So, these are the following. So, ano siya yung mga pinahangin nga ganito na ito, mag-teaching tag melody. Kaya ang melody magpagdaduro kung wala nila ang tune sa music, ang humming nila. Example, anong melody is, kailan daw, mahaming kami mo, example, ang happy birthday na kanta. Happy mo, parang happy birthday, malali mo ang happy birthday ito makanta. So, ang first is audio recording of the video. Next is visual aids, of course, posters, stickers, or illustration. So, Mondo, why is it important that we have visual aids, posters, stickers, illustration in teaching melody?
Well,
Constant or constant?
these are the examples here that we could utilize in order
Constant or constant?
knowledge through, teaching melody.
Itong may vowel phonics.
We can use, we usually use,
Constant siguro.
80 grades. Yes.
help them realize that
Consonant technique.
consonant
Yes, thank you. So, kailangan ko rin siya. Ano ko yung mga bata nga kato?
Kay check tayo ka na.
Hindi lang sila hearing lang. So, important ko sila. So, next is musical instrument. Both standard and improvised. Para sa classroom. So, para itong biingon, kung hindi ka...
Saan yung segmental phonics?
Considerations for evaluation. Siyempre, after natulog-tulog sa students,
Sa segmental ba?
bago tayo evaluation nga, ay ito mo after. So, ideally, evaluations will be done through observation or actual
Kapil nga ning right sitting down.
rather than giving them written pieces or
Nya ang
exams.
sopra
So, di ba? Mas nindot o magdulutan music. Ang ato ang evaluation sa itong mga basa is performance. And sa written, di ba? Kaya mas mga balita, managin sila na very old, engaging all. So, mas maayos na kaya ato ang score para sila ha. So this may be also be used sometimes. So for melody, the foremost considerations for evaluating elementary students are the following. So first is students can recognize whether a melody goes up or down and can compare which pitches are higher or lower in relation to the pitches. So ang teaching melody is kapag nagbalag na ito ang higher or lowest sa anong kanta. So sa atong evaluation, dapat kabalo na sila dito kung asa ka part sa melody ang windows up, o asa sa part sa melody ang windows down. So, ibukanta sila, hindi na sila yabag. Pag-nasod, dapat kapag sila ko, ako lang ilahang, nagsabi, ano, ang ilahang music, hindi na yabag paminawon, kanang nalindot, sakto na siya kayo. So, evaluate mo ka lang, nakamako sila kung saan mo sila gipin. Next is, number 2.
Isog lang yung
The next one is student can imitate.
Excuse me, mommy.
Happy birthday.
Hummingbird.
Diba? So, kabalo na sila. Kabalo mo, makabuyan mo. Kabalo na yung mga students, so makakamot sila correctly, diba? O, kung hindi ka kabalo, kapag kamam na mo, happy birthday, makamao ka, magagawa ka, so hindi. So, dapat, teaching melody, dapat kamao na sila after sa imuhan. So, imo sila kang consider po na siya ng mga kuhaan sa evaluation. Next is number 3. Can you please read ka ng Werner? Number 3.
Donor.
Students can partially transpose familiar songs into C, F, or G minor. Does not have to be complete song and other considerations.
Sample na Werner.
Sabot na.
So, sa kanaling ani, kabalo na sila mo, di mo kabalo na rin mga
Very...
Ay, magpapalad.
Yes, Asuncion.
O, nakapuyang palakitan, kaya base man na siya sa tingog pag sa kanang singer. If karami tayong tingog kay kanang mo siya, pwede mo siya ang original T, ang original C. Pwede mo siya i-transpose kung saan ang version tingog na pwede i-transpose mo siya L or G or
So, kabalo na sila kung paano nila to.
Wow.
Number 4 is students can tell whether a piece of a song is a major, minor, or a major or minor. Muna tingin kami just na rin mga kabalo na sila mo identify kung ano ba siya nga ibang kapot pagkanta nila. Kung ano ba siya, major ba to or siya minor key ba siya. So, ang other considerations is it is also beneficial to incorporate a closure section in our music lesson plans. This is usually done at the tail end of the lesson where the teacher gives praises, encouragement, and affirmation to the student. This is a good value of the student's effort in participating in the music activity and the class. So, it is important na after ni mo sa pagtulo sa mga students, after sa evaluation, na kay closure na may tabo sa mga students. Closure tayo nga, sila o praises, encouragement, example lang uban, kaya kanang dili pa man sila satisfied sila ng tulad. So, kung sila encourage ka ka na makabalo pa gapon sila, practice-based
Not important.
So, experience and practice teaching. So, find a test student outside your class. Choose any easy song to teach. Him or her to sing a short part of the melody. So, mo na siya ang katawin mo kailangan i-consider in magkitawin na ka. So, I guess that would be all.